Hello students, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Matre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza District, Ratnagiri. Today I will speak about reasons for Mendel's success. In this slide, you can see photograph of great scientist Gregor Johann Mendel. Mendel was known as father of genetics because he carried out so many experiments in the field of genetics. He carried different types of experiments on garden pea plant known as Pisum sativum, and because of his great work and contribution in the field of genetics, he is known as father of genetics. And in this video we will see reasons for Mendel's success in his genetics experiment. So let's continue with our first reason, and the first reason for Mendel's success is plant material selection. You all know that Mendel worked on a garden pea plant. He chose garden pea plant for his experiments, and this choice was perfect because garden pea chosen by Mendel was an annual plant and naturally growing self-pollinating plant with several pairs of contrasting characters. So the first and most important reason for Mendel's success in his experiment is selection of his garden pea plant, because the pea plant is growing naturally, it is self-pollinating, and it is annual plant. Also, the plant is having several pairs of contrasting characters. Second reason is character concentration. During different genetical experiments conducted by Mendel on garden pea, Mendel concentrated only on one character at a time, though there were many characters available. So for example, if we consider garden pea plant, then in pea plant there are different types of characteristics. In this slide, you can see characteristics of pea plants. Characteristics with respect to seeds, flower color, pod and stem. So there were different characteristics of pea plant, out of which Mendel focused only on one character at a time, and this is the important reason for his success, that character concentration. Mendel concentrated only on one character at a time, though there were many characters available in a garden pea. Next one is accurate record keeping. During his experiments, he kept accurate records with respect to qualitative and quantitative data. So whatever the experiments carried out on garden pea, Mendel kept up-to-date records, both qualitative as well as quantitative, for his experiments. And because of these written experiments, he got a success, because the data which was available, qualitative and quantitative, can be used for the purpose of demonstration of his results. Fourth one is statistical analysis. Mendel used statistical methods for the analysis of results of his experiment. In previous reason, we saw that Mendel kept both qualitative and quantitative records for his experiments, and he analyzed all those records, all those data statistically. And whenever we do any type of research, it is mandatory to do statistical analysis of that result, and Mendel used statistical methods for analyzing the results of his experiments. Next one is different chromosomes. The characters which have been selected by Mendel were present on different chromosomes. So in all there were 7 characteristics on which Mendel worked on a garden pea, and all those characters selected by Mendel were present on different chromosomes. And this is the last reason for Mendel's success: complete dominance. All the 7 pairs of contrasting traits selected by Mendel showed complete dominance. So these are the reasons for Mendel's success in his garden pea experiment. First reason is plant material selection. Second one is character concentration. These are the characteristics of pea plants, out of which Mendel focused only on one character at a time. Third one is accurate record keeping. Fourth one is statistical analysis, different chromosomes, and final is complete dominance. So because of these reasons, Mendel got success in his genetical experiments on garden pea plant. Thank you.